Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a new chapter, drawing and painting using Microsoft Paint. So in the last class we learned how to draw pictures by using text paint. In this chapter we can learn how we can draw and paint using Microsoft Paint. Okay, so in this chapter we can learn about a Microsoft Paint, know more about parts of the paint window, know the function of paint tool, pencil tool, curve tool, color tool, eraser tool, brush tool, shapes tool, line tool and text tool. Understand to save a drawing and open a saved drawing. But in this video we can do some part only. Okay, so shall we start? So first one, introduction to Microsoft Paint. So Paint is a program or an app that helps us make and color beautiful drawings on a computer. It has many useful tools that can be used to make wonderful drawings easily. Okay, this is an app and it helps you make a color beautiful drawing on computer. It has many useful tools that can be used to make wonderful drawing very easily. So shall we start to learn about paint? To open paint, type paint in the search box in the taskbar and click on the paint app. It will be open. So in the search box you have to type uh, paint, the app paint, it will be open. Okay, so you can see it will be open, how it will be open. So it has so many parts. The paint's window has following parts, so we can discuss about the parts of paint window. Okay, the first one, paint window has the following parts. First one, quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar. So it contains button to quick save the drawing, make a new drawing and so on. So you can see the quick access toolbar here. Okay. So the second one is ribbon. It has three tabs, file, home and view tab. So home and view tab, that also you can see file, home and view. Okay, that is ribbon. And the third one, file tab. Okay, so in the file tab, clicking on the file tab, open the list option for creating a new drawing, opening an existing drawing and saving a drawing. Okay, and the next one, home and view tab. Home and view tab. So have you see that? Home and view tab. Clicking on this tab display various tools and options that helps us work in paint. Okay. Next one is drawing area. This is a area where we draw and color pictures. This is the area we can draw and color pictures. So once again, quick access toolbar, home and view tab, ribbon, paint tab and drawing area, home and view tab also there. Okay. So quick access toolbar, it contains button to quickly save the drawing, you make a new drawing and so on. Then the ribbon, it has three tabs, file, home and view tab. Then one file tab or paint tab. Clicking on the file tab opens a list of options for creating a new drawing, opening an existing drawing and save a drawing. And next one is home and view tab. Clicking on the tab displays various tools and options that help us working in paint. Then the last one is drawing area. Okay. So next one we can discuss about tools. There are so many tools in the Microsoft Paint. So first one is pencil tool. So just like we use a pencil to draw on a plain sheet, we can use a pencil tool to draw freehand in paint. Let us use this tool to draw a tree. Okay, so how to draw a tree? Step 1. Click the pencil tool in the tool groups. Step 2. Click the size to choose the line thickness. Step 3. Click on color 1 and then choose a color in the color groups. Move the pointer to the drawing area. Keeping the left mouse button pressed, drag the mouse to draw a tree. Okay, so first one, click on the pencil tool in the tool groups. So there is tool group is there. So this one is tool group. So you can select one pencil. Then click the size. Step 2, the size is there. You have to click here and adjust the thickness. And click next step, click color 1. Color 1 is there. So click color 1. Then you can see so many colors are there. So you have to select which is your color. Then you have to select one color. Then move on the pointer to the drawing area. Keeping the left mouse button pressed, drag the mouse to draw a tree. Okay, then you can, by using different colors, you can draw different parts of tree also. Okay, first one is pencil tool. I hope this one is clear. Step 1, you have to select one pencil in the tool group. Second, choose the size. Third one, choose color. And by using mouse, you have to draw one picture in the drawing area. Okay, so next tool, fill with the color tool. After the picture is drawn, it can be used with different colors using the fill with the color tool. You can use this tool to fill color in any closed shape. Okay, so first one, for this one, you can use by this tool, you can fill the color in any closed shape. You can color any picture that was closed. You can fill that color any closed shape. So first one, let us color the picture of the tree drawn earlier. You have to draw one picture by using the pencil tool. So we can fill that picture in the fill with the color tool. So step 1, click on fill with the color tool in the tool groups. So here is the tool group. So you have to select fill with the color. So you can see one bucket is fell down, like picture is there. So you have to select, that was the to fill with the color tool. So you have to select first. Then step 2, click on the color 1 and choose a color on the color group. Okay. Then third one, click the mouse inside the area which needed to be filled. And repeat step 2 and step 3 to fill different parts of the tree. If you want different colors, you have to repeat step 2 and step 3. Okay. Okay, I hope this one is also clear. Fill with the color tool. After the picture is drawn, you can fill any color in a closed shape. So for that, first one, you have to step 1, you have to select fill with the color tool in the tool group. Then step 2, click the color 1 and choose any color. And you can step 3, click the mouse inside the area which needed to be filled. And repeat the step 2 and step 3 filled different parts of the tree. Okay. Then next one, text tool. The text tool is used to type a message in the drawing. Let us add the text to be above the drawing. Okay. So this is the text tool. So if you want to write any messages in the drawing, you can use this tool. So step 1, click on the text tool in the tool group. So first one, you can click the text tool in the text group. Step 2, drag the pointer into the drawing area where you want to add the text. A text tab gets added next to the view tab. Okay. So step 1, you can select one text tool. Step 2, you have to write. In the drawing area, you want to be add a text, so you can write that in step 2. Then step 3, you can choose style and size of the text in the font. So here is, you can see step 3. So you can select the size and style of the font. Font means letters shape. Okay. Then step 4, click color 1 and choose one color. Choose one color. Then next one, step 5, type the text, plan something, anything you want. Here we have wrote plan more and more trees. After you have finished type text, click the anywhere outside the text box. Okay. So once again I'll explain. Step 1, you have to select the text tool. Step 2, you can write anything in the drawing area. This is one step 2, drawing area you can write. Then step 3, you can select the style and size of the font. Step 4, you can go to color 1 and choose any color. Step 5, type the text what you want. So you have to type that text, and after finish your writing or typing, click anywhere outside the text box. So anywhere if you want to write anywhere, you can choose the place. Okay, that's it about text tool. Next one is eraser tool. So as the name mentioned, eraser tool, the eraser tool helps to rub any part of your drawing. It will be help any part of the drawing. So step 1, left click on the eraser tool in the tool group. So you have to go and select tool, eraser tool in the tool group. So this one is eraser tool. Then step 2, you go and click size. You choose the size of eraser size. Here is so many sizes there. So you go and select your size. Then step 3, move the pointer to the drawing area, keeping the left mouse button press. Drag the mouse over the part of the picture that you need to be erased. Where you want to erase, so you click that place, and over that part you simply click in the left mouse button press and drag the mouse over the part of the picture where you want to be removed or where you want to be erased. Okay, that was eraser tool. So once again, eraser tool, you first step, you go and select the eraser tool from the toolbox. Then second one, you have to go and find out your size of eraser or choose the size of eraser. Then step 3, go to drawing area and keep your left button mouse pressed and drag the mouse over the part where you want to erase. Okay. Next one is brush tools. This brush tools can be used to draw lines and curves with a different looks and effects. So first one, click on brushes down arrow, list available in the brushes get display. So here one picture is there, brushes. So you click first, then you will get so many types of brush. So you have to select your choice, which one you want, you have to select. Then step 3, choose your size of the brush. Then step 4, select your color, go to color 1 and select your color. And last one, move the pointer to the drawing area and keep the left mouse press. Drag to draw the lines using the selected brush. Okay, so first one, you go to click the brushes down arrow. So here is the brushes and there is a small arrow is there. So you have to click there. So you will get so many types of brushes there. So step 2, you have to find out, you have to select one brush. Step 3, you have to select the size of the brush. Step 4, you go to color 1 and select your color. And step 5, move to the drawing area and keep the left button pressed, drag and draw the lines using the selected brushes. Okay, then another one is shapes tool. The shapes has many tools that can be used to draw various shapes. So you can see so many shapes in the picture. So the shapes tool groups has many tools that can be used to draw various shapes. So let us learn how to draw a shapes in a paint. So first one, click on any shape of the shapes group. So here is so many shapes is there. So step 1, go and select any shape. Step 2, go to size. Go to size group. So you have to select your size. Choose. Step number 2, click size and choose line thickness for the shapes. Then next one, go to color 1 and select your color. And step number 4, keep the left button pressed, drag the mouse to draw and draw the shape. Then look at that. So then in the drawing area you can see which shape you have selected, that you can see in the drawing area. Okay, so this is some tools in the these are the some tools in the Microsoft Paint. So other tools or other portions we can discuss in the next video or next class. Okay, I hope you understood this chapter, and if you have any doubt you can ask me. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.